Happy holidays! And if you've got a minute, we can make this. Sometimes it's the side dishes that make the meal, like roasted yams, asparagus bundles, and cranberry pockets. Here's what you'll need. Let's start with the yams. Cut the yams into cubes. Do the same with apples. Add them to a casserole dish, sprinkle with brown sugar, dot with butter, top with cinnamon and pecans, and bake until tender. Look at the results. For the asparagus, make bundles and wrap them with bacon. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. When done, sprinkle with chopped hard-boiled eggs, slivered almonds, and if you like, French's fried onion bits. Beautiful side dish, right? For the cranberry bundles, press crescent dough together and then cut into squares. Press them into a mini muffin tin and add a square of cream cheese. Then top with cranberry sauce and a few chopped pecans. Look how pretty! Your sides are done. The Yam and Apple Bake, the asparagus bundles, and the cranberry pockets. Sides never look so good. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.